Let's be real. Nano Banana generated images look same on social media right now. Same cyberpunk faces, same poses, same recycled prompt. If everyone is doing the same thing, how do you stand out? You don't. You just get lost in the scroll. This is the absolute truth. You can't build a brand by copying trend. People don't connect to perfection. They connect to authentic stories. So in this video, I will show you how I use Nano Banana and my 6-step visual formula to turn real-life creator moment into professional story-driven visuals. Images that looks real, feel real, and actually sell. And if you stay to the end and subscribe to my channel, you will get my free AI visual mastery pack, 10 cinematic prompts, a full 6-step guide, and my storytelling cheat sheet. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. Step 1. Character, the creator's fingerprint. Every image starts with a character, a human at the center. Trending prompts erase identity, but I want to preserve mine. So instead of asking Nano Banana for another trending portrait, I upload my own photo and tell Nano Banana exactly what I want. Here's the prompt I'm using. Preserve 100% identity, no alteration. A hyper-realistic cinematic photo of the uploaded person sitting at a messy bedroom desk after a long day of editing videos. The room is dimly lit by the computer screen and a warm desk lamp. Coffee mugs, notebooks, and camera gears are scattered across the table. He looks tired but proud, eyes fixed on the screen as his next YouTube video finishes rendering. Capture the mode of the late night creativity. Quiet, focus, and real. That's not a trending image. That's me, a creator at midnight, still pushing for the next upload. You have your own story too. And if you know how to tell it, that differentiates you from those who are just following the trend to those with purpose. Step 2. Action brings it to life. Action is the heartbeat of every story. Instead of sitting at a desk, say, he leans back, stretching his hands after hours of editing, light reflecting off the monitor. Now the image breathes. It moves. It feels alive. Every time you add action, you add connection. And that's what people pay for. Step 3. Setting. Building your world. Now, let's place a story somewhere real. Forget the trending neon light cities, the beautiful studios, the trending sofas. Use the space you actually know. Your bedroom studio, the cafe where you brainstorm, your own city's glow. Here's my prompt. Dimmed bedroom office, soft yellow lamp glow, posters on the wall, half open curtain with street light leaking in. That's not fantasy. That's familiar. That's exactly where I'm sitting, shooting and editing the videos you are watching right now. And that's exactly what makes it personal. Step 4. Camera, your creative eye. Camera directions will always separate creators from copycat. Don't just say portrait photo. Guide it like a director. Say something like, shot on a 50mm lens, eye level, shallow depth of field, framed through monitor light. Now it feels cinematic, like a still from a real documentary of your life. That is not an AI-generated image. That is storytelling through perspective. Step 5. Lighting. Paint the mode. Lighting controls emotion. It's your invisible brush. For late night creator vibes, try this. Warm desk lamp, glow on edge. Cool blue lamp from monitor edge. Cinematic contrast. Instantly the viewers feel it. The fatigue, the focus, the passion that keeps you going. Lighting isn't technical. It's emotional. Step 6. Detail. Meaning in the mess. Details make your images believable. Leave the coffee cup on the table. Leave the sticky note that says upload tomorrow. Leave the open lens cap on the table. These aren't props, they are symbols of real work. They say this is not perfection, this is recreation. The fun is, when people see themselves in a story, they stop scrolling. The story, how to find yourself. So, how do you even find your story? Here's my simple method. Emotion, action, context. Step 1. Pick an emotion. What do you want people to feel? Tired but proud? Hopeful? Driven? Step 2. Turn that into action. What happened in that moment? A creator closing his laptop after editing till midnight. Step 3. Add context. Where is it? And what time? Bedroom, office, street light, flickering through the window. That's all about it. You've just written a mini movie in one frame. You are not describing a scene. You are directing a moment. Why story beat trend? Trend get views. Stories build loyalty. Copy a trend and people scroll past. Tell a story and they stop because they feel something. That's what builds connections, followers, and real opportunities. Don't let AI decide your star. Use it to express your story. When you follow the 6-step visual formula, character, action, setting, camera, lighting, detail, you turn ordinary prompt into storytelling tools. And to help you get started, download my free AI Visual Master Pack. It's completely free with 10 cinematic prompts and my full 6-step guide to turn your everyday life into visuals that stand out. Because trend fade, but your stories, that's forever. See you in the next video.